Hello, welcome to this tutorial video where I would like to show you some different ways to segment a mouse heart using the Imalytics Preclinical software. Let me open the software first and I will load an example dataset. Under Tutorials General Introduction, load example dataset. I will open the 3D rendering and now I rotate it a little bit and zoom out. Let me delete the existing classes. And we see here the heart. Normally for the segmentation we focus on the underlay on the CT scan. So I will hide the overlay, some pet data for a second. Now I go to the heart. You can find it here. And for segmentation normally we use scribble drawing. So I go to the scribble mouse mode here on the left side of the software. I will use the default settings and then I start to surround the heart with scribbles. We say that normally surrounding in 10 slices is sufficient for a good accuracy. But of course you can draw more. Now I will add a class heart and then I press F3 and F4 to connect it, and then I go to my heart. I will tell smooth class to make it a little bit more roundish. You can continue with the segmentation if needed, for example here. And now we have the heart segmented. In this case, we have strong signals in the overlay, so we can use also these intensities for the segmentation. Let me delete the class heart. I will use the ISO segmentation tool. I will add a class heart again and now use the intensities to segment the heart. And now you can see here in the 3D view that the heart was segmented. You can also continue a little bit. And in this way you have a very fast segmentation of the heart. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.